Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an application on your Amazon Fire Stick so you can free up some space on it, so you can download more applications. So just on the home screen here, let's go on over to Settings, and then go on down, and we want to go to Applications. Then scroll on down to Manage Installed Applications, and you can see the internal space on the right. So you can see how much I have free. Then let's go to Manage Installed Applications and scroll on down. And we want to find an application to go ahead and delete. So I'm going to get rid of this application right here. I don't believe I use it. Now we could quickly get rid of it if we press the play button to uninstall. Otherwise we can select it and then go to uninstall right here. Go to confirm. And you'll see how much free space you'll get from deleting it. And the application is uninstalled. Now there's no way to select multiple applications at the same time, so just go through that list and press the play button on the app, and you should be able to delete it pretty quick. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.